SaasAnt PayTraQer is an awesome automation tool to sync all your PayPal transactions easily and hassle-free into QuickBooks. Here you'll learn how to reconcile PayPal transactions in QuickBooks. From the Non-Sync tab, select the PayPal transactions you need and sync to QuickBooks. In QuickBooks, from Transactions Banking screen, you will find the bank account with matching records. Click on the match link provided. You'll see a pop-up showing Transaction List Matched. Next, note the bank balance showing in QuickBooks. You will need this for reconciliation of your bank account. So once you're done matching your account that needs to be reconciled, navigate the cursor to the Reconcile option from the Accounting tab. Enter the ending balance from the previous record in between the required dates. Now, click on the Start Reconciling option. Note that once you've started reconciling, the difference should be 0. Now click on the Finish Now button. Hooray! Your account is now reconciled and ready to go. You can get further details about the reconciled transactions from the Search tab in the Bank Register section. It's easy, right? Well, this is not the end. You can discover many options and advanced features with PayTraQer as shown here. Whether it's configuring your tax settings or downloading unlimited historical transactions, your one-stop solution is PayTraQer. Have questions? Get on a call with us right away. We're happy to assist you.